Hello everyone, my name is Mikhail,
Hello, and my name is Ilya.
and today we're going to talk about such promising project as Aergo. Firstly, let's us take a closer look at the main idea of that project. Aergo is promising to create an enterprise-grade fourth-generation blockchain, allowing users to deploy their dApps on blockchain easily. The project is positioning themselves as the bridge between private and public blockchains for enterprises, utilizing an existing platform model, CoinStack. Actually, Aergo is incorporated in Hong Kong with an aim to empower companies with the ability to deploy their business needs on blockchain. The team is developing a modern ecosystem supported by a distributed cloud architecture based on a core underlying technology. CoinStack is a proven enterprise product. It's developed by Blocker. Close cooperation between these two companies is a great adventure as Block has over 25 million users. Its clients are such companies as Samsung, Amazon, Microsoft, and IBM. However, it takes additional risk as most of the high-level staff is working in both companies, so there can be a lack of attention to one project.
Actually, like consensus algorithm is one of the most discussable themes in the blockchain sphere now. So let's talk about what decision Aergo team found. Their blockchain is built on delegated proof of stake, which is similar in concept to the EOS network and means that token holders have voting power. But it's not just the amount of token a player holds, but also how the community judges their ongoing involvement. There is a high risk of organized attacks and the threat of becoming centralized, and EOS actually faced these problems recently. However, from my point of view, it's not actually important for Aerga as they are focused on corporate clients. So centralization isn't a problem as inside a corporation there is a different system of incentives. And in addition to that, I'd like to add that permission access to blockchain actually solved the problem with organized attacks. Um, Aerga states the main goals that they are going to solve, and they say that these goals are lack of security in blockchain now, integration difficulties, limited technical knowledge on new programming frameworks, privacy, scalability, and interoperability constraints.
Let's speak about technology now. There are three main parts in the Aergo framework. There are, first of all, Aergo Chain. It's the public blockchain protocol that is deployed using a DPoS model that is compatible with a variety of smart contract infrastructures, including Ethereum virtual machine, to achieve interoperability. It also features Aergo SQL that uses a traditional programming language SQL technology for mass adoption. Also, Aergo Hub, the interface that connects dApps to the Aergo chain. These dApps are housed in the hub like a cloud service, which consists of both public and private repositories that host the software program codes for the project. And the last one is Aergo Marketplace, a one-stop shop for software, computing, and other related services connecting vendors to end users.
Now, it's very important to understand, however, plans of the team that is developing the product are connected to the reality, and are they following the roadmap, or is their roadmap shows the main steps of development of their product. So let's see Aergo's roadmap. Actually, they have already released Aergo SQL. That was professionals noted it's that they have really friendly experience using it. Another point is that on that stage of an ICO, Aergo has good GitHub with quite a huge amount of code for that stage. Actually, Aergo mainnet launch is planned to be in the beginning of 2019 or in the end of this year. They're going to use their token for payment transactions, of course, for staking and mining, as they use DPoS, and for access for CoinStock services.
The cool thing about Aergo is that they have top tier tier 1 strategic investors such as FBG Capital. It's a digital asset management company that focuses on blockchain-based projects. Also, GBIC, Global Blockchain Innovative Capital. It's a multi-strategy crypto fund with offices in New York, Shanghai, and Seoul. They invest in transformative blockchain, digital assets, and distributed ledger technology. Also, GRR Crypto. It's a revolutioning a 100-year-old investment banking standard by investing in distributed innovation projects. Past investments include QuarkChain, Binance, Merclet, and also a lot of different cool projects.
Aergo's team actually has really big relevant experience, but as we already said in the beginning, that most of them concurrently are holding positions at Blocker, so this can be a little risky, that they really have time to develop both projects. Let's talk about the core team. First, it's Phil Zamani, the current COO of Blocker, with over 20 years of experience in developing open source solutions for businesses. Phil held several directors and advisory positions previously and was involved with driving cloud and big data innovations at Banco Santander, Deutsche Telekom, and Novel. He holds an MBA from Warwick Business School. Another one is Park Hun-young. I'm sorry if I pronounce it not correctly. Current STO of Blocker, with over 13 years of experience in database and distributed system development. And the last one, board member of Aergo, is Roderick van der Graaf, an advisor to Blocker with over 20 years of experience in investment and advisory. He is currently the managing partner of Lemnis Cap, a firm specializing in early stage blockchain investments. Roderick has worked in companies such as Caldera Pacific, KCP Capital, Bear Stearns. He holds a master's degree in information technology from the University of London. Of course, all the team players have relevant experience and they are not newbies in the sphere of blockchain, so of course it's a positive sign and they have a really good team.
Also, there are currently 8 advisors for Aergo. Some notable advisors include Eddie Allen, 35 years Ministry of Defense for the UK government, executive and non-executive director at several tech startups in cybersecurity, advisor in SANC Institute, Dr. Raid Hartani, PhD in artificial intelligence, founder Xono Partners, iValley.co. Also, Vincent Zhou, maybe I pronounced wrong, sorry for that. He's a founder of FBG Capital. Also, we need to mention some risks connecting to Aergo. First of all, it's very competitive business sphere. Aergo competitors are such companies as Oracle, Microsoft, IBM, and Amazon. Also, employees holding dual positions in both Aergo and Blocker could impede the development progress of the project.
Of course, there are some risks that you should remember about, but of course we're here as Aergo have lots of advantages and it's really probably the best ICO in this year. So actually, what are they? We'd like to sum up all the information that we've given before. The first one is that it has really strong cooperation with Blocker, who has built a proven blockchain enterprise product with over 25 million users worldwide. The second one is a big client base because of Blocker. The team has both relevant commercial and technical experience to achieve project milestones, and moreover they have good GitHub and already released Aergo SQL. The final one actually is they don't have big bonuses. Actually, as I know, there is no private sale bonus at all, so it's really good. And the last one, of course, is a huge bounty campaign for all the supporters of this project. So in conclusion, I'd like to sum up that definitely you should take a closer look at this project. It's not a financial advice. Do your own research. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for your attention. All links will be mentioned in the bottom of the video.
Goodbye.